Guys, Masquera say, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. So this afternoon, we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. 9,000 Mombe, dzofa because of drought. Remember, today is 4 April 2024. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth month in 2024. 9,000 Mombe dzatorara because of El Nino. Where are we going as a nation? If the president fails to deal with this issue, if the government fails to deal with this issue, then the poor people of Zimbabwe are going to be left with nothing. I'm telling you this. 9,000 Mombe Zarara in just 4 months. This is April. So I need to put this story right here so that we talk more about what is really happening and how it is going to affect everybody. So nobody is safe. Even if you are in the urban areas, you are not safe because you rely on beef, you rely on chicken, you rely on meat for religious purposes, and there are some products which need beef, etc. So this is the report from Newsday right here. It speaks about drought claiming 9,000 cattle. So this is the report. It says Zimbabwe has recorded approximately 9,000 drought-related cattle deaths, with over 1.4 million cow reported to be at high risk due to lack of pasture and water. The USAID Food Security Arm has said Zimbabwe is battling an El Nino cycle of warming and cooling events that happens along the equator in the Pacific Ocean, leading to an increase in sea surface temperatures according the ocean, across the ocean. So let us deal with these figures, which are right here onto the screen. This is not drama. This is reality. 1.4 million cattle are reported to be at high risk. I can testify this. Mombe dziri kumusha, guys, dzinofanira kunge dzakasimba kubva pakatanga kurima kusvika this juncture. Mombe dzinofanira kunge dzakasimba. Then we go to May, June, July, August. Mombe dzakasimba. September. Then from October and November. Let's say from September, October, November. Ndopataitarisira kuti mombe dzinge dzichitanga kuonda zvekuti unenge wakudzinzwira tsitsi. But zviri kuitika right now muna April. What about pese pachati mashizha apera? Patichati chikafu chese chabva kumunda chapera. Patichazonosvika kuna June, July, August. Kwakunyatsoti August, September, kwakupisa, mvura yashoma. What is going to happen? Mombe dzinenge dzakufamba ma long distances dzichitsvaga mvura. Time yekufura nekutsvaga chikafu inenge ya limited, inenge yavashoma. All these challenges, I feel for the people in regions of Mwenezi, Chiredzi. These people are going to face more difficulties. Especially, I can say, the whole Masvingo province, except for those in the areas around Anatokwe Mkosi Dam, Vanam, Lake Kyle. Maybe those are the people who are going to have their cows survive. So, a lot of people will ignore this and say it doesn't concern us because it's still Strugu town. It will concern you. Why? It's because Tirukuda nyama. Where are we going to get that meat? So the Agricultural and Rural Development Advisory Service, ADAS, in 2023, they disclosed that cumulative cattle poverty deaths reported last season stood at 7,643, with Machebel and South the most affected, having lost 4,432 animals, followed by Matobel and North 2,573, Midlands 735, and Masvingo 103. So right now, this is last year, 7,643, the whole year. But in this season, this year, we have 9,000 already dead. So kwatiri kuenda kunomira zvakanaka guys. Pari kuda ma-intervention measures kuti anga achitoiswa into place. Kana tikatadza kuisa ma-intervention measures to make sure that we deal with these issues, like make sure that there is provision of supplementary food at cheaper prices, to make sure that there is sufficient water, to make sure that there is a provision to deal with these issues in each and every area. Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North, these are dry regions, especially the parts of Mwenezi and Chiredzi, the lower veld area. It is going to be very difficult for farmers. And remember, they rely on cattle for draft power. Kana mombe dzikafa, what it means ndezvekuti kwatiri kuenda kunosvika farming season inzara kaviri, because nothing is going to work for them. Pamuri kufanira kurima mombe dzinenge dzafa, pamuri kufanira kurima mombe dzinenge dzakaonda, which means muri kurohwa kaviri. So this is a lot which is happening. A lot is happening to Zimbabwe. And, I know that a lot of people will say Ajinabasa or whatever. But I can tell you that we have a challenge. We have a problem. Especially in the regions where mombe kwadziri kudairwa zviborani kuti dzinoita queue dzichimwa mvura pachiborani. If the government was serious, they were supposed to start implementing and rolling out solar systems at each and every bore in Matabeleland South, in Matabeleland North, in Masvingo province.